Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. What we are doing today is the eyes again. Except this time, I'm actually going to use a Supershock shadow and a eyeliner. That's it. That's it. Let's get going. Alright, now I've been seeing a lot of people like Danessa Merrick, Natasha Denona, Linda Hallberg do looks with eyeliner and smudging it. Now, of course, most of the looks that I've seen with Danessa Merrick and Natasha Denona involve more than just one shimmer, but they tend to with Linda Hallberg. I always want to say Hellberg. I don't know why. I know it's Hallberg. So don't come for me. You know, ever since I realized I was actually autistic and I still need to get that officially done, but all the signs are there, I'm letting myself be me. I'm not trying to hide anymore. Okay, so hopefully that doesn't offend anybody. I have my little collection of Supershocks, and I have a Linda Hallberg eyeliner in, my glasses keep falling every time I move my head, so they're not on my head, gray core. Okay, I actually am going to need to keep these on because of the Supershocks. So gray core is a matte, very dark gray, almost black. Perfect. Now, let's figure out what I want. I don't want green. I don't know if I want brown. Do I want pink? I don't know what I want. Maybe I should have gone through this before. Adaptogen or deep dive? Let's see. Okay, this is adaptogen. Ooh, but we'll go with the gray. And this is deep dive. I've not even swatched it. Okay, adaptogen is cooler and more green. Okay, so it's going to be adaptogen, and that tells me that Aster pink is not going to go. It's not going to go. I had them in an order, so I can't change that. I cannot change the order. Not going to happen. Even if it takes me half an hour. So I've got lots of brushes that I can use to smudge. And I'm only going to do one eye at a time. Let's start with the bottom lash because I don't know how I want my top lash to be. I may as well do it on the other side. Once I'm done, I'll see how it works on the waterline. Okay, now what I can tell you so far is that this eyeliner is so creamy. If my hand wasn't shaking as hard as it is, I would actually be able to do a proper line. But if you can't tell, my hand is shaking like crazy. I saw one yesterday where the lady did it in the inner corner. Yeah, I'm not there yet. I need all the Linda Hallberg eyeliners. I need them all. Man, they're good. And if it goes into the waterline like eyeliners are supposed to. Okay, how did I do this again? It's almost like we're going back to simple eye makeup. I know the indie brand section of the YouTubes is not, even though Linda Hallberg is indie, and so technically so is Natasha Denona. BRIGITTEDESORMEAUX, but I see a lot of just doing a smudgy wing, a small smudgy wing. I just want it to be extra. If you don't know that about me yet. Yeah, it seems that it's more about simpler looks as opposed to 20 eyeshadows and cut, well, we know cut creases have been gone for a couple of years, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Same with cutting in at the corner. I've done that a few times in some videos, but I won't do it this time because this is supposed to be more of a smudge and go. Linda Hallberg uses her beautiful liquid shadows when she does this. I don't want to use a liquid shadow because it seems like I've been having trouble with my liquid shadows. Don't ask. Now, where's my Ritz? I have no idea. Okay, this is the part I don't like. Because I've got fat stubby fingers and I'm going to get everything everywhere except where I want it. If things have changed, I apologize. Hubby came home. Sorry, but he takes priority. Okay, I love you guys, but hubby's more important. He was working this morning. Yes, it's a Sunday, and he always makes sure, if he works on a Sunday, he always makes sure he's home for football. Okay, so let's see. Didn't smudge it a whole lot. I'm wondering if maybe putting a little bit more of adaptogen would help. Okay, I'm going to put that on hold for a minute or two, and I'm using I heart this spelled out as opposed to the one with the actual heart, and I'm going to try and put this in my inner corner. Without my finger, because I know that it will go everywhere if I use my finger. Let's try this again. Okay, a little bit of fairy dust. Barely touching. I've got more skin in the game here than I do on the other side. Oh, well, and you know what else I want to do? Bit of a spotlight just to cool it down a little bit because of the gray. How does Rose do it? For heaven's sakes, she goes done. Now my eye is watering. Okay, so smudge a little bit. I really like this actually. I don't know what you guys think of it, but I'm gonna have to look at Linda Hallberg a little bit more, but I really like this. Granted, she doesn't use as dark of an eyeshadow as I did. Okay, and yes, I put powder. Okay, I'm going to put you guys back because I want to show you what I did to my face. I used this today. I will not be stopped. I will overcome. And I used Innisfree bronzer blush. I want it to be a little lighter because for once I want to concentrate on the eyes as opposed to the whole face, because I like the whole face. Oh, I didn't even take these out. Normally I take things out so that they're ready to go. So what I'm going to do is be right back. The more I look at it, the more I like it. It is grungy. This is what I consider grungy, but it's simple, and it's Supershocks, which is something I rarely use, and I gotta stop that because I want to hoard Supershocks and not use them. That's no good. So what I'm doing for my lips is I'm going to use my little Kaja in the color Milk Tea, but we know I like a little bit more opacity than just clear lip gloss. So I am using my Essence lip liner in Naive, which is going to be a little hot pink. So hopefully the two together will kind of tone it down a little bit. Let's try this. This is me coming up with ways to use my lip liners that I don't want to give up. Because yesterday, I don't know which order the videos are going to come up with, but I did declutter a few more lip liners, yeah. So, yes, I put too much on. I don't care. I like that. Does it go with the eye look? Yeah, it does. Because this is grungy and beautiful. Isn't it though? Okay, so there we go. I finally did it. Next time, I want to use my green eyeliner that I have from Essence with maybe a gold Supershock, if I can find one. Thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Making sure I don't have lipstick on my teeth. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. Bientôt.